Supply Technologies supply all medium to large manufacturers around the globe. The key markets that we support are the caravan manufacturers, the automotive, the bus market. It's all sectors really. What uplifts has there been since the start of the pandemic? It goes from sector to sector. Some sectors are back 100%, let's say the trailer manufacturers. Other sectors like the caravan sectors are a lot more cautious and they're only back 40-50%. Functions that we're helping manufacturers get back to work is our Kanban just-in-time system. In other words, if you're holding a small component, do I order 100 of these products or 10 of these products? What better way than to hold it at our premises, ready for you to call off when needed? Behind me is Supply Technologies' Kanban system. The first thing first is that every part that we supply is in a 2-bin system. It is totally demand driven. When the front bin is empty, it goes on the bottom shelf, the back bin slides forward, we collect the empty bin, our night shift fill it, and it's put back there the next day. Our system, without question, is the best on the market. We have engineering support, IT support, consolidated invoice, electronic invoices, we have a supply portal. I can go on and on.